Today, we're taking our first look at PersisOS, a Linux operating system that immediately catches the attention of anyone who enjoys discovering new and interesting projects in the open source world. The Linux ecosystem is already filled with hundreds of distributions, from massive and well-established names to small independent projects created by passionate developers. So whenever a new or lesser-known operating system appears, the big question is simple: what makes it different, and is it actually worth trying? In this video, we're going to explore PersisOS from the perspective of a first-time user, looking at its overall design, desktop experience, performance, software availability, customization, usability, and the kind of audience that might enjoy using it. At first boot, the most important thing you notice is the overall presentation. A good Linux distribution needs to create a positive first impression, and PersisOS aims to provide an experience that feels approachable without overwhelming the user. The desktop environment is where most people will spend their time, so the arrangement of the application menu, taskbar, system tray, notifications, and desktop controls all play an important role. For users coming from Windows or another traditional desktop operating system, a familiar layout can make the transition much easier. At the same time, Linux users generally expect more freedom, and this is where a distribution like PersisOS can become interesting. The installation process is another major part of the first experience. Installing Linux has become dramatically easier over the years, and modern distributions generally provide graphical installers that guide users through the process step by step. With PersisOS, the ideal experience is one where you can boot from a USB drive, test the system in a live environment, connect to the internet, select your storage configuration, create your user account, and install the operating system without needing advanced Linux knowledge. This is especially important for newcomers because the installation process is often the first point where someone decides whether a Linux distribution feels friendly or complicated. Once the system is installed, the first thing many users will want to do is explore the desktop. The visual design of an operating system may seem like a small detail, but it has a huge impact on daily usability. PersisOS appears to focus on creating a clean environment where applications and system tools are easy to find. A well-organized interface reduces the amount of time users spend searching through menus and settings. For experienced Linux users, the ability to customize the desktop is equally important. Changing wallpapers, themes, icons, panels, fonts, and window behavior can transform the experience, and Linux distributions are famous for offering this level of flexibility. Performance is another area where PersisOS deserves attention. One of the biggest advantages of Linux is that it can run efficiently on a wide range of hardware. Depending on the desktop environment and the underlying configuration, a Linux system can often feel responsive, even on older computers. For users with aging laptops or desktops that struggle with modern versions of Windows, trying a lightweight Linux distribution can be a practical way to extend the life of their hardware. The real test for PersisOS, however, is how it performs during everyday tasks. Opening applications, switching between windows, browsing the web, playing videos, managing files, and performing system updates should all feel smooth and reliable. Software availability is naturally one of the most important considerations. A beautiful desktop is not enough if users cannot easily install the applications they need. Linux has improved significantly in this area, thanks to traditional package managers as well as technologies such as Flatpak and AppImage. Depending on PersisOS's software ecosystem and repositories, users may have access to a broad collection of applications covering productivity, multimedia, programming, graphics, communication, and entertainment. For a new user, having a simple graphical software center can make a huge difference because it removes the need to learn complicated terminal commands just to install basic applications. The terminal, however, remains an important part of the Linux experience. Even if PersisOS is designed to be beginner-friendly, advanced users will still appreciate access to powerful command-line tools. Linux gives users an extraordinary amount of control over their systems, and the terminal is one of the main reasons why developers, system administrators, and enthusiasts continue to choose Linux. The important thing is balance. New users should be able to complete common tasks without touching the terminal, while experienced users should still have the freedom to use it whenever they want. Hardware compatibility is another area worth considering during a first look. Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth devices, graphics cards, printers, webcams, and audio hardware can sometimes create challenges on Linux. Modern distributions have made huge improvements, but the experience can still depend heavily on the hardware being used. If PersisOS provides good out-of-the-box support, that could make it much more attractive to everyday users. The ideal Linux experience is one where you install the operating system, connect your devices, and everything simply works without hours of troubleshooting. Security is also one of Linux's strongest selling points. PersisOS benefits from the broader security model of Linux, where users generally operate with limited privileges and administrative tasks require additional authentication. Regular updates are essential, and users should always keep their systems patched. A good distribution makes this process simple by providing clear notifications and reliable update tools. Security should not be something that users have to think about every day, and an operating system that handles updates in a straightforward way can provide peace of mind. One of the most interesting aspects of exploring a lesser-known Linux project is discovering its community. Large distributions have enormous communities, extensive documentation, and countless tutorials. Smaller projects may not have the same resources, but they can offer something different: a closer connection between developers and users. If PersisOS has an active community, regular development, clear documentation, and transparent communication, that can become one of its biggest strengths. Linux is ultimately more than just software. It is an ecosystem built around collaboration, experimentation, and people who believe users should have control over their computers. For existing Linux users, PersisOS may be worth exploring simply because trying different distributions is part of the fun. Every project makes different choices about desktop design, software, system configuration, and usability. Even when a distribution does not become your permanent operating system, it can still introduce ideas that change the way you think about Linux. For beginners, the question is slightly different. The most important factors are stability, ease of installation, hardware support, software availability, and community assistance. If PersisOS can deliver those fundamentals while maintaining its own identity, it could have a place in the growing Linux landscape. After this first look, the overall impression is that PersisOS is the kind of project that deserves attention from Linux enthusiasts who enjoy discovering alternatives. It represents the freedom and experimentation that make the Linux ecosystem so unique. While the long-term success of any operating system depends on consistent development, updates, hardware compatibility, and community growth, first impressions are important. PersisOS provides an opportunity to explore a different approach to the Linux desktop and see how it fits into the rapidly changing world of open-source computing. So, is PersisOS worth trying? If you're curious about Linux, enjoy experimenting with new distributions, or simply want to see what a different desktop experience can offer, it is certainly an interesting project to investigate. It may not immediately replace the biggest names in the Linux world, but that is not necessarily the point. The strength of Linux comes from diversity. There is room for large distributions, specialized systems, lightweight operating systems, and independent projects like PersisOS. And that is exactly why first looks like this are so interesting. You never know when a small project might introduce a fresh idea that eventually influences the wider Linux community. If you're searching for something new to test in a virtual machine or on spare hardware, PersisOS could be an intriguing addition to your Linux exploration journey.